I feel like I can go anywhere now. You want to go to Jersey? Yeah. We're breaking necks.
Look at this guy.
Let's switch seats, Brittany.
I'm driving?
You're driving.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have to whisper because I have a surprise for you guys outside. It's a video that I've been planning on doing since forever, and finally I can do it now that my car is on the road. I got my best friend coming today, and she is going to be riding in my started car. Also, another surprise for her. She doesn't know I'm gonna be asking her to do this, but I'm gonna ask her to drive my car, and we're gonna see how that goes. If you guys like that idea, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. You guys remember Brittany? Yay! Last time we tried to make a video with my car and you know, it wouldn't start.
So it's the positive. It has to be the positive.
Wait, Brittany!
What?
I'm kidding.
What I do?
But we're here again. Try to say hello to Brittany.
Before we get started, I need to put air on my tires. It's really low. No, my fenders, I know. The new ones. I'll probably install them after this activity. This fun activity we're having today.
You guys can't see right now, but when I put air on my tires, the car is like super high. It's super high. So like after, once again, this activity, I'm gonna have to lower it. How does it look?
I'm so tired.
Is it different from the one I had? But what happened before? It was dragging. It was non-existent.
It changes like the whole car.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I guess. So let's see if the car starts, you know, because we have a long history of.
Okay. Seatbelts.
Oh yeah. See? You got me there. I already forgot about this. I always forget about the seatbelt. That's so bad. Wear your seatbelts, everyone. Wear your seatbelts. Safety first. Yeah, safety first. I'm sure you know, no AC.
Yeah. Let's see.
When it gets super hot, we'll put the windows down.
Okay.
Woo!
Is it full up?
Not yet. It's only been like 2 seconds. How do you feel?
I feel the washers.
You feel the washers?
Yeah.
What does it feel like? Like, what's the difference?
Like bouncy.
Yeah. We're not even going fast yet.
Oh.
See the alignment though? It's like so bad.
Like you have to really measure it too, right? Like,
I've gotten used to it now though. For parking, it's so hard because I don't know if the wheels are straight or not. Oh, we're about to break some necks, watch. They're probably like, damn, she doesn't know how to shift.
you're lucky to have speed bumps here either.
Oh! That's like a speed bump. Oh!
That brick road is so serious.
Not bad, right?
I wanna go home. It's smooth though, like
Yeah.
bumpy.
Yeah. With the springs, it's like more bouncier, right?
Yeah.
This is like more stiff, like you go with it, kind of.
What?
We might as well go to the gym, right? We're already here. Guys, this is my gym workout. Actually, my gym coach.
Gym coach.
Yeah, you be coaching me. You be like, come on, extra 3, extra 5, actually.
One, yes. Oh, one more. Yes, thanks.
Oh, there was a cop behind us. My heart went quick.
We can just talk our way out.
Oh, stop! Oh, we're breaking necks. We're breaking necks.
Look at this guy.
I know. Like, what is this nonsense?
He keeps looking back like.
I know. This is why. I feel like I can go anywhere now. You want to go to Jersey?
Yeah.
This road is so bad.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! Oh no.
Oh my god.
No. I hate this road.
It's so rocky.
I gotta check my car after that.
You're gonna have rocks underneath, like crazy.
That was like roof. Rough.
Roof.
I said roof. That was rough.
You okay? That sounded pretty roof.
Took some vocabulary out of my brain.
That right there. I'm actually in your car.
Yes.
Like,
oh my gosh, that too. Like, we've been friends for a minute now, and she's never been in my car, and I feel some type of way about that. But now she's in the car, so
I know.
like,
I feel honored.
Yeah. Now we gotta go celebrate and eat.
Like,
Oh, it's gonna be bad.
oh my god.
This is gonna be bad.
They just did this road?
Oh, no, it wasn't that bad. But that's because we went slow. You hear all of that?
Well, duh.
Gotta check if she's okay.
I know. The wheels are probably bent. When you see the road bumpy and gravelly, you slow down. Oh, yeah, to make sure you don't mess anything up. You over here saying send it. You can send it too. But if you got the wheel like that, you can send it. That's crazy. We broke a lot of decks. I'm high. I'm like, no, I'm not high. My car is high. My car is monster truck right now. Like, I raced it. I raced it a few days ago. Monster truck. My whole body fits under it.
Yeah, right. What was that?
I didn't see it. My wheels definitely felt that.
So, no cracks on anything? I know. You hear that?
It's probably the fender. It sounds like it's hitting the fender. It's definitely just fender.
It's on that side.
Yeah, it's definitely the fender. It sounds like the fender hitting the wheel, just rubbing. So, you know I'm pulling over.
Why?
Let's switch seats, Brittany.
Why?
You're driving.
I'm driving?
You're driving.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Let's pray.
Okay.
Let's pray.
No, you got this. I'm so excited. Is it still recording here? Oh my gosh, it's still recording on both phones.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Brittany is the first female to drive my car static and stance. That's crazy. That's crazy. You got this. You got this. This is nothing.
This is like on the floor though. Like,
You keep saying it's on the floor like it's on the floor.
it is.
Wait, the e-brake's up.
Oh, no, yeah. I go. It's so smooth though.
I'm gonna be screaming this whole time, like, yes. You could go straight.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Is it?
Just give it a lot of gas. This car needs a lot of gas to let go.
That's why you go all the way up.
Yo, that's why I scream with it. Scream with it. Oh my god. I'm like a happy mom right now. Like, yes!
Can't believe this.
This is one for the book. And the good thing is we're recording, so it's staying forever and ever.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
So that's a small book. There you go, you got it.
It's so smooth though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I did not see that one.
Okay, here we go again. Here we go again. You got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just give it. Give it gas. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Whenever you want to practice, just come over. We'll keep practicing around the block.
I'm pretty rough right now.
Yeah. It's okay. You'll get used to it though.
Yours is like it's smooth.
No, I feel like mine is extra. Like mine, you really got to give it a lot of gas. I don't know if it's because I switched the whole clutch thing. I did a whole clutch replacement, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it.
Oh yeah.
But I remember I drove one of my clients' car. His was an SI. His gear was so smooth. Like I put it to first, easy, so much smooth. Like I didn't have to give it a lot of gas.
The 10 Gen SIs have like really smooth. Oh my gosh.
There you go. There you go. Wait. You almost stalled.
Oh
Yeah.
I did it.
I don't know what it was on, but now it's in
here.
neutral.
Smooth.
Oh yeah, this, I guess.
I parked the wrong way.
Woo! No, it's fine. I'll fix it probably later or something. How was the ride? How was it? Go.
Can't believe you made me drive, man.
That's why I didn't want to do the intro with you. Because
Yeah.
I wanted to be like, guys, we're gonna be surprising Brittany. Okay, thank you for being in my video. It feels It's an honor for me to have you in my video.
No, it's an honor for me.
I'm happy you got to drive my car. Like,
yeah, I feel so happy. I'm happy to be in your car.
Thank you.
Because, you know, I know that you like went through a lot with the car in the past couple months.
At this point, you might as well be my chauffeur and be the driver, and I'll just be the passenger.
Yeah. No.
Guys, please go show her some love on IG, on what else you got? On YouTube too. Her YouTube channel name is
She was gonna start YouTube, but no.
You better start a YouTube channel. Go follow her IG. Go show her some love. Go comment down below W because she drove my car. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a like, comment down below. I told you guys bangers only this year, so see you guys next time.
Peace.
I feel like I can go anywhere now. Oh!